name is Alexander Hernandez. I made, as you can see, my name, Alexander. And I made Minecraft diamond pickaxe. Didn't take that long to make the second one. Just took a while to make the first one. I made, using Mr. Harmon's videos and stuff, I made a Tinkercad volcano. I'm very proud of this, all thanks to Mr. Harmon.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I made a wedding cake. I made little people put them all together to make a wedding cake.
Hello everyone, I'm Ellis Hanstead from Mr. Harmon's HLModTech class, and this is what I made on Tinkercad. Bunch of turtles in it and a little water bottle.
No, let me turn
it also has a sign that says turtles for sale.
Michaela and me, and we came up with and Michaela came up with an idea to create a puzzle on the glow torch in HLModTech. And here it is.
Between the days of today and yesterday, I learned how to use the URL method, the search method, and the upload method to put a picture on Google Docs.
And I made a deranged cat. The name's Boy. It's your boy.
Sebastian Vaya, and I've gotten the Finch to work on my Chromebook. I'm going to remotely control it to take over the world.
Remember the spider family I made? Well, I printed them out, and here they are. They're a lot smaller than I expected. This is the smallest one, so that one. I made 3 of them. Can't really see the eyes, but you know, they're there. Over spring break, I made this house as like a little challenge, I guess. So we have the nice details of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and there's also this amazing little car here because the people who live here have to drive.
I'm Mackenzie Morales, and today I'm going to be showing you this ghost figure that I made. And today I'm going to be showing you this awesome birthday cake that I made using Tinkercad.
My name is Cameron, and I am in Mr. Harmon's class. And today I learned how to replace all the Kilimanjaro words that were spelled incorrectly with one tool. What you would need to do is double click on this. Then you would go up to the edit and then find and replace. Then you would type in the word and then replace with whatever word you wanted to. And then you press replace all.
My name is Bryce, and I made this video from Mr. Harmon's lesson on how to create a rocket. So basically just launches up and then it's just gone. So that's basically it.
Oh, this is Austin Durfee here, back with another video. I was just showing you this cool fun project that we did. We had to learn how to make that little car go around in circles. And you just gotta go to the hinges, and the correct number for this that works perfect is 229. Let's try it. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I have oval shaped wheels, but that's pretty cool. It looks like popcorn.
Hello, my name is Ella Sandstead from Mr. Harmon's 6th Hour, and today I learned how to do a lot of cool things with Google Docs. First of all, I learned how to color the background of my Google Docs sheet. As you can see, I decided to color it pink. Secondly, I learned how to add my own drawing into Google Docs. As you can see here, I copied some information off of a website that we needed to use, and I put it into a drawing, and now I can edit it and move it around in Google Docs.
Alright, Tinkercad friends, I created a lesson that teaches you how to make these nifty towers, and you can find it on YouTube. But 6th grader Josh chose to push the limits and make his into this awesome creation. Fantastic work, dude.
I made a dino painter. I used an eggshell and dino head French dino painter.
This is Balin from Mr. Harmon's First Hour. I made this from this video. I am with Austin.
Heyo.
The King Durfee.
Yeah.
I made this.
Explosion.
Explosion.
It looks like a
Missile launching in yes.
every direction.
Oh yeah.
And
Okay,
mine's more like
yeah,
Minecraft TNT here. Okay, ready,
No,
boys
it's
and
not.
girls?
Minecraft
3, 2, 1.
Sorry
Minecraft.
about you
Minecraft
all,
explosion.
all your Minecraft people that play Minecraft.
Oh my God.
It's crazy.
Today, I learned about an amazing hero story, and his name was Kyle Maynor. He was born with a disease called congenital amputation, which meant he was born without legs or arms. He had a rough childhood and was so strong that he did wrestling in 6th grade. Kyle decided to climb Mount Kilimanjaro with his team. He had perseverance and strength and didn't get up. When he finally made it to the top of the mountain, he took ashes from a fallen soldier and put them on the top of the mountain. He truly was an amazing man, and he never gave up.
Bailey and I have worked together to stack all that brush and dig up every rotten tree we can find. Right, Bailey? Very good.